So, you have read the title, you know what's up. No, this is not a style video, this is not a grooming video, this is not a video where I'll talk about the importance of social dynamics, relationships or fitness. This is a video to thank you. This is a video for the future me. And gentlemen, this is a video for all of us who believed in this small idea called being the best version of yourself. So, why not unbox this thing together? Why not share this special moment together? Why not do this all as a big, broad, fat Men's Essentials family? Gentlemen, my name is Mayank Bhattacharya. This is Men's Essentials. Let's roll the intro. Okay, so I wasn't even sure to film this video, but there was something in this. There was something in this box that kind of compelled me, that forced me to hit record and make this video happen. Gentlemen, there is something in this box besides the silver play button that literally fires my ass every morning and literally inspires and motivates me every freaking morning to get up and do this thing. What is it, you ask? Well, that's the thing that I'm going to unbox and show you right now. It is this generic, regular, boring letter by the YouTube CEO. Now this is a pre-written format. This isn't anything new, this isn't anything creative, but the words that they have used and the way this has been composed and written is something that I can very highly relate to. If you are on YouTube, if you are doing YouTube for the right reasons, and the reason being wanting to create content, wanting to share your value, wanting to share your thoughts on something that you believe in, and not crazy hungry for views and subscribers and whatnot, this is, I guess, at least for me, way more valuable than the silver play button itself. Here's what she says. You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You have had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know the numbers can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you have accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we would like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you have found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say this, that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you are closer than you think, and we are rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan, CEO, YouTube. This is why I started YouTube. This is why I am on YouTube. This is why I love doing what I do every freaking day. Gentlemen, I make content because I like making content. I do these videos because I love doing them. There is no reward to it. There is no price value to it. And this is what is YouTube all about. This is what YouTube is all about. The whole creative, satisfying aspect of you getting to wake up and do something that you truly love and hopefully make a living out of it. How cool, how lucky or how amazing is that? That's something that I can't even thank the internet enough. I can't thank YouTube enough, and I don't take this for granted. I don't take you for granted. I don't take YouTube for granted. I don't take any of this for granted. This is what, I don't know, this is what kind of makes it all happen. I mean, things like these are why we as creators are on YouTube doing what we really love. I mean, besides the few ones who are actually hungry about views and subscribers and whatnot, I couldn't care less about 500,000 more subscribers or 1 million more subscribers. My advertising rates won't change, my influence won't become crazy high or whatnot. Everything is about I going in deep now. I want you all, like I want, as of today, as of the day I'm recording this, we have around 130,000 subscribers, 130,000 subscribers on the channel, and from now on, I want to influence you all as hard, as deep as I can. I don't want to go wide. I don't want to have 1 million subscribers with zero influencing power. I want to go as deep as I can and would rather have 1 lakh subscribers who are highly, deeply influenced by the whole value of being the better version, being the best version of yourself. That's what this channel is all about. That's what my lifestyle channel or my lifestyle in general is all about. So that being said, that being clear, I have to obviously take out the silver play button because that's what you all are here for. So here it comes. This is the new silver play button actually. This used to be a whole lot different before. Now they have changed things a bit. Plastic wrapping. There you go. Presented to Mayank Bhattacharya for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. There. And this is all courtesy you. I mean, of course, a lot of my hard work has got to do with it, but you actually pressed that big red subscribe button. 100,000 of you actually believed in the idea of wanting to improve yourself and wanting to be your own best freaking version. And that's crazy astonishing to me. Like I am so lucky to have 100,000 of you, 130,000 of you believe in this small idea that I can't even tell you. This is crazy. I mean, the day I hit 100,000 subscribers, it was like 4th or 5th April. I wasn't all that, excited about this, but reading that letter and getting this, seeing this, it kind of make things a bit weird. I feel that it feels like I have influenced someone, if not no one, be it 1, be it 10, be it 100, or be it 100,000 in this case. And I'm really grateful for it. I'm really very thankful for it. But none of this is for granted. None of you all are for granted. You all are here for the reason and the very right reason of being your absolute best self. And I'll try to do my best to be my best version while I'm trying to help you with your own self-improvement journey. I hope you all are as excited as I am to see 2,000, 5,000 more videos on this channel, daily videos on this channel, daily videos, stories and posts on Instagram. I mean, I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm not going to do trends and all those things that I haven't done in the past, things that I don't believe in personally. I mean, Men's Essentials is my lifestyle in general. So if I don't believe in something, I'll just not talk about it. That's how things have been. That's how it will always be. This will be how it is, but the things are going to get a whole lot more interesting, a whole lot more cinematic, dramatic and whatnot. Daily uploads everywhere. I'm going to spam you hardcore. So be sure to notified in case you aren't. Thanks a lot for all the support, all the encouragement and all the love that you have shown me in the last 3-4 years. I do not take it for granted. I will never take it for granted. Now allow me to get back to work and make more of these videos, make plenty more of these videos. Allow me to help myself be my own best version and allow me to help you be your own best version. My name is Mayank Bhattacharya. Thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to dress sharp, stay strong and stay stylish. I'll see you soon in the next one. Thank you and cheers.